Boeing is not backing down. Despite recent challenges, Boeing remains fully committed to its CST-100 Starliner commercial crew vehicle. In a recent interview, Boeing's CEO, Dave Calhoun, confirmed that the company is not shutting the door on Starliner, even after the postponement of its first crewed flight, which was scheduled for late July. Calhoun emphasized that Boeing is ready to do whatever NASA asks and believes in the importance of having more than one player in the field. He acknowledged that Boeing has fallen behind SpaceX's Crew Dragon but remains confident in their technical expertise. With each successful launch, he believes, they will prove their capabilities. The delay in Starliner's launch was due to issues found with parts of the spacecraft's parachute system and flammable tape used in wire harnesses. However, both NASA and Boeing are working diligently to resolve these issues and ensure Starliner's readiness for its next mission. While the exact timeline for the rescheduled launch is still under discussion, Calhoun assures that Boeing is not shutting the door on Starliner. He stated, "We intend to do it, make money on it, but we're going to let the market and our customer let that play out, and we'll see what happens." So, stay tuned, space enthusiasts. Despite the challenges, Boeing's Starliner is still in the game, and we can expect more exciting developments in the near future.